Welcome to the Money Talk Show TV. I am your host with the most, baby. I'm the motivator. I'm the educator. I'm options trader. Today we're going to talk about Facebook Reels. We're going to talk about Netflix adding ads to the program. And we're going to talk about Bitcoin mining. And we also talk about Coinbase in this show. So stay tuned. Hit the like button. Subscribe while you're laying back and laying low, baby. Let's talk about Netflix stock. Netflix is, I smell blood in the water. Netflix is down 35% today. Oh, did I hear a hurt stock say something? Oh, yes, it's down 35%, baby. Okay. Netflix is, they just had earnings, and after delivering subscriber stats, baby, they lost subscribers. Okay. And they also adding ads. I said it one more time again. Netflix is adding ads to our Netflix and chill. So when you sit back there chilling, you go get one of them ads coming up. Go ahead and ask you, do you want to take the blue pill? Go ahead and order this right now. You know, one of them type things. We don't want that. We don't want that. That's bad. And Netflix has been having some issues going on with their stock and subscribers. And they just figured out that they want to bring the price down and roll the ads in. And hopefully that'll compensate for everything. And hopefully that'll increase some subscribers. Because it has been a whole lot of competition out there for Netflix. Now, do I think Netflix is a good buy? Yes. Am I telling you to buy? No. Do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. With that being said, for the disclaimer, but Netflix is a good buy, and it's down. Right now, it's at $226, down 35% as the time I'm making this video. Now, let's talk about Facebook Reels. Okay, your boy is on the Facebook Reels. Please go ahead and hit the like button and, go ahead and subscribe to Facebook, because I'm trying to make that money talk right now with the Facebook Reels, baby, okay? So Facebook Reels came back with the payment program. If you didn't know, the payment program offers a chance for you to get $35,000 for a month, okay, for uploading Reels. So if you sitting there just uploading Reels and just doing that and ain't make no money, you might as well go ahead and then get into the program, monetize your Facebook, and get that money with Facebook Reels. Just some jewels out there. Now let's roll into the next one, baby. Let's talk about Bitcoin mining. Now, Bitcoin mining has been having a lot of issues lately, baby, in the game. Now, if you didn't know that Bitcoin mining, the relationship between the energy and Bitcoin miners has been with difficulties with the hash rate, the energy increase, especially where everything's going on right now. And a lot of that is still going on overseas. We ain't gonna talk about that or say that name. But here's something to pay close attention about with the Bitcoin mining, baby. Now, with Bitcoin price staying at a tight price that it is right now, around that low 40,000 range, baby, for the first 3.5 months of the year, a hash rate and difficulty has risen consistently, okay, alongside with surging energy prices, baby. I told you energy's going up, so that's making a lot of things difficult for Bitcoin miners, okay, along with the CPUs and the chips. That chips are also needed, and then those Bitcoin mining pieces that they need. This is part of the, the program that they need to get the Bitcoin mining, baby. So a lot of that is taking effect, and it is hurting Bitcoin miners, baby. Okay. Now, in other Bitcoin mining news, now if your raw energy input prices continue to climb at the pace that they have, that's a signal that the PPAs are increasingly incentively, baby, to figure out the ways to get out of those PPAs so that they can increase their margins and continue to operate in an extreme market, baby. Because right now it's a crazy market, and especially the downstream price of, pressure. There's a lot of price pressure on Bitcoin, and it's holding strong to me. I like it in that 40. I like it in that 40, baby. It's doing good. Go ahead and do your thing, Bitcoin. Now let's talk about Coinbase restricting accounts in India, baby. Crypto news today. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong visit India and said it was a magical place, and he's hyped about the cryptocurrency trade in India, but that has stopped them from stopping the rupee transactions. Now they claim they don't have any idea about the UPI and only accepts crypto-to-crypto transactions in India right now. So this is your news update from the Money Coach. Hit the like button and subscribe. Crypto news, fool.